Welcome to our new setup video for TxtCart. In this video, we're going to be going over the installation, onboarding, and setup for TxtCart SMS Marketing and how to outfit your Shopify store with a compliant text marketing and abandoned cart recovery solution. The first step is to find the TxtCart app on the Shopify App Store and click Add App. Next, you'll be greeted with a permissions page outlining the different permissions and things that TxtCart can view when installing it to your Shopify store. Scroll down and click Install App. Upon successful installation, you will see and be greeted with a Setup TxtCart page. It is incredibly important to not skip this step, as you will be forfeiting your 14-day free trial and not being serviced. In order to start your 14-day free trial and be serviced, outfitting your store with live agents to recover your lost sales, you're going to need to complete a quick onboarding. But don't worry, it only takes about 5 minutes. So if you're ready, go ahead, read the terms of service, check off the checkbox, and click Next Step. Step number 1. Setting the brand personality. We at TxtCart realize that each brand and each store has something unique to offer, and no two brands are the same. So it's incredibly important to capture the right brand messaging and persona and personality. Through our live agents, you can customize from one of 6 different options to convey that message. Each has a slightly different tone of messaging and approach at how they message. Select one of the 6 personas that matches your brand best. Typically, we recommend starting off with Lindsay, our highest converting persona, but there are 6 options to choose from. Once you've selected a persona, go ahead and click Next Step. Step 2 is selecting a discount. This is going to be the discount that we send your customers that are looking to get a discount off to come back and finish their purchase. You can choose any discount from 5% off to 40% off. We typically recommend starting with a discount of 20%, but we realize again that each brand has a different average order value and price point for their products, and no two brands are the same, so choose a discount that makes the most sense for you. Scroll down and you can filter through by clicking the Change Discount Code button to find a discount code that suits your needs. Then click Next Step. Step 3 is the Confirm Store Information tab. Go ahead and confirm your basic store information. This is going to be used both for us to help you and also to help your customers. We will use this information to answer your customers' typical shipping questions, FAQ questions, and return policy questions. Once you've gone ahead and selected your fields, go ahead and click Next Step. The last and final step will be Step 4, optimizing the checkout settings. We've outlined point by point how to finish installation and setup for TxtCart and to remain compliant. Follow these individual steps and you will be good to go and start your 14-day free trial. Step number 1, go to the checkout settings. So go ahead, click this hyperlink, and it should open up the checkout settings in your Shopify admin panel. Step number 2, we're going to go to the customer contact section, and we're going to select that customers can check out only using email. Right here. Once this has been selected, we can go back to step number 3. What that step does is essentially breaks out the email and the phone field within your checkout. So they're 2 separate fields, allowing us to collect more phone numbers and hence text more customers. Step number 3 will be to scroll down to the forms options and change the shipping address phone number to optional. So we're going to go here and click optional. This is to remain compliant with TCPA standards. Next, we can go ahead and click Save. Step 5, we're going to scroll all the way down and click Manage Checkout Language. Step number 6, in the top filter bar, we're going to type in phone label and search for it, and then we're going to copy and paste our standard language. You can Command or Control F this as well. It doesn't really matter. Step 7, we're going to take this text right here and we're going to copy and paste this into these fields right here. So make sure you have copy and pasted this message into the phone label and the optional phone label fields, and go ahead and click Save. Once you have done this, go ahead to your checkout page and verify that the changes are successful. If you've done it correctly, you will see this message at the bottom phone field of your checkout page. Go ahead and click Complete Setup. The last step is going to be approving the billing charges to your subscription. When you first install TxtCart, you are signing up for a 14-day free trial of our Pro plan, and once you have accepted your free trial, you can at a later date or at any point later go in and downgrade to the free forever plan, as we realize that some stores don't have a need for the Pro plan. We have a few different plans to choose from. You can learn more about our different plans and different pricing at www.textcartapp.com/pricing to get the full details. To finish your installation and to begin your trial and to start recovering those lost sales, go ahead and click Start Free Trial. Upon successful completion, you should see this final step. You're all set. We're going to begin recovering those abandoned carts and increasing your revenue right away now. You can now click Go to Dashboard. Congrats, you've successfully installed TxtCart and set up your Shopify store with a compliant text marketing and abandoned cart solution. Stay tuned for our next video and join us where we take a deep dive in the TxtCart dashboard, explore different strategies for text marketing, and answer all of your support questions. We'll see you soon.